Welcome to Life Flows. Today's video introduces you all to how I uniquely cut my toenails or there's my own pedicure with a double-edged razor blade, which I handle just by using my hands without any other form of tools or materials. I hope you find this video refreshing. There are different brands of these double-edged blades at the market, of different flexibilities as well. I am currently working with this very brand. These blades are really sharp, and when I say sharp, I mean they are extremely sharp, and as a result it takes a lot of caution. You need to definitely have control over what you are doing in order to successfully cut your toenails safely. As much as they are really sharp and dangerous, once you know what you are doing, you end up with a really unique, clean, sharp results. Enjoy as you watch this video. Mostly I begin by cutting the big toenails first, and then I move up to the rest of them. I am doing multiple things out here with the blade. Cutting the nails at the same time, shaping the nails or the toenails, and also getting rid of any unwanted hanging piece of nails. At this point, I have successfully and safely cut and cleaned all the toenails, all the 5 toenails on my right foot. And as you can see, these are some of the pieces of toenails that I cut out using my double-edged razor blades. Now it's time for me to begin cutting and trimming the toenails on my left foot. And I am also switching or using a new blade to make sure it is sharp and will deliver as well.
Don't know. A supernova tells us when we have to go. To the end of the world.
Hanging on, walking tall. Some days I got no use for it all. Working hard, making less. Some days are bad, bad at best. Foolish notions, foolish lies. I set to thinking I could make something of me, playing every game except the lottery, serving everybody else and told myself I'm free. Misery is a showy state of bad company. Foolish notions, foolish lies. Foolish notions, they cut me down to size. You came along and lifted me up. The going got tough, but the tough got some luck. Foolish made me wanna cry. Foolish notions, foolish lies, foolish notions. But I said goodbye. Foolish notions, foolish lies. I set to thinking I could make something of me, playing every game except the lottery, serving everybody else and told myself I'm free. Misery is a showy state of bad company. Foolish notions, foolish lies, foolish notions. They cut me down to size. You came along and lifted me up. The going got tough, but the tough got some love. Foolish notions, foolish lies.
Watch out for my next video on how I cast my fingernails, or there's my manicure, using the sharp double-edged razor blades. If you find this video refreshing, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. But above all, turn on your notification for more interesting videos like this one. See ya.